Hello everyone, myself Navya from Easylib Software Private Limited. In this session, I'm going to explain you about how the Easylib Campus ERP application will help you to create the examinations, duration types, and assigning locations to that particular exams, and how to enter the marks cards. All these details will be explained in this session. So before that, let me log into the application as an admin. Okay, once you logged in, you will be able to see the list of modules, and I will choose examination module. So here, you what you are seeing is that you can set the exam duration. Okay, for the particular exam means consider an example as a engineering CSE. So CSE for maths exam there is a duration for 3 hours. Okay, so what is the next you can set the exam duration. So next you can set the exam type means what means it whether it is a monthly test or semester test or a third bi-monthly test, like that you can set the exam types. Okay, also you can set the exam groups. Okay, exam group means for MBA students, for CSE students, for MCA students, like that exam groups you can create. So for particular exams you have to create the some exam codes, right? So you can create the exam code for that. But so for 19th batch MBA students, this is the first bi-monthly test, like that exam code you can give. Okay, then exam timetable you can set in the Easylib application. So if you want to set the new exam timetable, just click on this add a new exam timetable. So you can create for particular grade. So for first year, the exam group you can set, exam code you can set, and exam batch, exam date, exam start time and end time, and what where is the location. All the things you can set in this exam timetable. Okay, before going to the location, you have to set the exam location also. So in this room number 5, the location means room number 5, therefore that is the location is L005, all the like that you can code you can give. And what is the capacity means how many students can write the exam in that particular hall, like that capacity you can enter. And what is the location type, whether it is a classroom or the computer lab or it is a auditorium, like that location type you can enter. Okay, so once you give all the things, all the setup, once you done with this setup, you can start assigning the exam to that particular group. Okay, click on assign exams. So here, for the particular academic year, you can set the exam group and the exam code. Type means whether it is a theory or it is a practical, like that type you can enter. So all once you are done with assigning exam to that particular group, you have to enroll the students to that particular exam groups. Okay, so easily application will help you to enroll the students for that particular exam groups. So for the particular institute or for the particular academic year and the particular grade and the subject, or for the exam group, you can enroll the members. So if you want to enroll single member, click on this, or if you want to add the multiple member, click on this and enter the member ID, the student ID, and click on enter. So once you click on enter, the member ID details will be displayed below. So after click on enroll all, it will enroll the students to that particular exam group. Okay, like that you can enroll the students to that particular exam code. And of once you enroll the students to that particular groups and codes, you can enroll the staff to the same means exam groups and the exam code. And also you can assign the staff. Okay, so for the particular staff ID, so one staff ID can go to which location. So whether he can go for auditorium or the computer lab or the room number 5, like that staff assignment you can do it here. So once you are done with enrollment and the assignments, next comes to input marks. Okay, here you can enter the student marks. So for the particular academic year, grade and exam group, for the student, particular student, how much he has scored, so what is the maximum marks and how much he has obtained. So that details, and also whether it is a first class, second class, or the distinction, or first class with distinction, all these details you can enter in this input marks. click on this add marks, you can keep on entering the new details of the students. Okay, so next is the marks card entry, or you can see the marks card of the students, particular students or the particular grade students. You can see only one student marks card report, or for the particular grade, means for first year bcom you can see all the students in the first year bcom, you can see the marks card. If you want to collect the report, exam easily application will provide you the customized report, so you can collect the report of the particular grades. Okay, so you can select the academic year or the subject, or by the grade you can select, and you can see what is the result of that particular grade students. Okay, so for particular grade student, for example, take it as a bcom students. So how many students have passed, and how many students have first class, how many students have occurred distinction, like the details you can see in this customized report. Okay, and if easily application will also help you to import several exam groups at a time, so it is very difficult for you to enter so many groups manually one by one. So easily application will help you to import all the exam groups at a time. So if you have entered all the exam groups in an excel sheet, and you can import by using excel sheet. Okay, import those excel sheet and click on read from file, you can keep on mapping those fields, and you can click on the import, it will import all the exam groups to the particular table. Also for the same exam codes also, you can do the import, mass import. And if you have the marks card of the students and it is very difficult for you to enter it by manually one by one, so you can do the mass import. So these all the things is about examination module. So for more information or for more queries, just go to easylib.net in the browser. So in the home page itself, you will be able to see the contact details. Just give us a call and clarify your doubts regarding any of the modules. And also, if you want to see the demo of the whole application, just confirm your availability by just giving us a call, and our team will be happy to conduct the demo for you. Okay, thank you.